Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create preloader animation in Photoshop. First let's create new document. For that go to File menu and choose New from the options. Set width and height to 150 pixels. Click Create button. New document is created now. Now click on this New Layer button to create new layer. After that select Rectangle Marquee tool and create a selection like this. Now go to Edit menu and choose Fill from the options to fill foreground color. Foreground color is filled now. To remove this selection, go to Select menu and choose Deselect from the options. Then again go to Select menu and this time choose All from the options. Then select Move tool and align it to horizontally and vertically center. Now set Fill opacity to 0. After that double-click on the layer to open blending options. Then enable gradient overlay from the blending options. Now click on the gradient to change gradient style. We need transparent gradient to create this preloader. Some presets already available in the Photoshop. Click on the Basics folder to see the styles. Then choose Transparent Gradient Style. Select this left color handle and change color to gray. Also change right side color to bulk. After finalizing the color, hit OK button to close this dialog box. Now we need to make it circle shape. Before going to make circle shape, right click on this layer, then choose Convert Smart Object. After that go to Filter menu and choose Polar Coordinates from the Distort options. Make sure Polar Coordinates option that you have selected should be rectangle to polar. Loading circle shape is created now. We need to convert this Smart Object layer to rasterize. Then only we can copy entire styles from the layer. Right-click this layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Now we can copy this layer. For that first select all, then go to Edit menu and copy it. Now we are going to apply animation for this spinner. Before that we need to create a new document. So go to File menu and choose New from the options. New page is created now. Paste copied layer to new document. I am planning to create clockwise rotation animation. So we need to flip this spinner before apply animation. To flip this spinner, go to Edit menu and choose Free Transform. Then right-click inside the controller and choose Flip Horizontal from the options. Now go to Window menu and enable Timeline window. Click on Create Video Timeline button to create timeline. If we click on the Expand button on the layer, we can see position, opacity, and style. Transform option not showing under these option. To enable transform option, again convert this layer to Smart Object. Then check again, you will see transform option under this layer. Click here to enable keyframe. After that double click on the time to set time. Now set frame to 15. Then go to Edit menu and choose Free Transform and rotate angle to 180 degree. Now change frame number to 30 and transform again 180 degree. To make it loop, set frame number to 29. Now click this button and choose Trim End at Playhead from the Move and Trim options. Click the Play button to preview this animation. Hide background layer to export for transparent image. Now let's export this as a GIF file. For that, go to File menu and choose Save for Web from Export option. Make sure you have selected presets as GIF and looping options should be forever. Now save file in your local directory. If you check the file, you will see like this. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.